Hey guys, in this video we will take a look at this Noctua Redux 18mm case fan. I will unbox it and install it to my computer. So here is the specs of the fan. It's 80mm by 25mm. It has 8-pin PWM connector. Rotation speed is maximum 1800. Airflow is 53.3 cubic meters per hour. And the acoustical noise is 17.1 decibels. So let's open it up and see how it looks like. Here are some screws for the installation, and here is the fan. Pretty basic one, to be honest. Nothing special about it, and it fits really well into my Thermaltake Core V1 case. Here is the 4-pin connector. Okay, and now I will install it to my computer and check the noise level and etc. Okay, so I'm just going to plug it to my fan hub and let's see how it's working. It's so silent. I can't hear any of the fan noise from this one. I have another fans close to it that are much higher in volume. The airflow is kinda good. And now I'm gonna install it to my computer. So the fan is installed and it should be working fine. And that's it for this video. I hope you liked it and find it informational. Make sure to like the video and also subscribe to my channel. And see you in the next video.